Welcome back everyone on this cold and snowy day here outside Chicago. Today we're going to be making jalapeno poppers on the Traeger grill. They're smoky, they're spicy, they're a little sweet, and they are delicious and also very easy to make. For this cook I'm going to be using the Traeger Timberline 1300. I just got it fired up. So this is a pellet smoker. If you're not familiar with them, they run on wood pellets, as you can see right here in the hopper. So these get fed through an auger inside the grill into the firebox, and then it generates the smoke that you can kind of faintly see coming out the back. And the inside, right, there's 3 grates. I've only had 2 in there now. So we'll wait for this guy to heat up, prep our jalapeno poppers, and throw them on. As far as the ingredients, we've got our jalapeno poppers, I've got bacon, plain cream cheese, and shredded sharp cheddar. I'm also using the Wasi Sweet and Smoky rub to season these. Because we're using jalapenos and these are going to be pretty spicy, I like to use a sweeter rub to complement the heat. If you like it even more spicy, feel free to use a hotter rub if you'd like. Let's get started on our poppers. So first thing is we've got our jalapenos and I need to split them in half. So cut the end off just like this. Slice it right down the middle. And now we need to pull the inside vein and the seeds out. So this will make room for the filling and also make it less spicy after it's cooked. So you can use your fingers, pull it out. You can also use a spoon to help you with that. Just get all this stuff out of there. For a nice jalapeno shell where our filling will go. So let's prep the rest of these. The filling's really easy as well, so I have some room temperature plain cream cheese. To this I'm gonna add the grated sharp cheddar, about that much. Mix it all together, really easy with the fork. Now that it's mixed up a little bit, I'll add my seasoning. Mix it up some more. And the filling is ready. Now it's time to put our poppers together. So take your jalapeno, put the filling right inside. Just a nice even layer. You don't want too much of it. Take your bacon and wrap it around. Now the one thing when wrapping is you don't want to wrap it too tight, because as the bacon cooks it'll shrink, and if you wrap it too tight it'll just squeeze all the filling out while it's cooking. So you want just a nice kind of a snug fit, just like so. So let's wrap the rest of these guys. Got all my jalapenos rolled up and prepped, but there's one more step, and that's to season them on the outside. So I'm going to use the same rub, just give them a nice dusting of this sweet and smoky rub, which will pair nicely with the jalapeno. So do one side, flip them over, and do the same on the other. I've got these guys filled with cream cheese and sharp cheddar, but the great things about making the poppers, you can get super creative with them. You can fill it with pulled pork, buffalo chicken dip, really anything that you have you can mix together, little cream cheese, and just stuff them in the jalapenos for a delicious appetizer. I've got the Traeger set for 350. You want to cook these between 350 and 375, just long enough to get the bacon nice and crispy, probably around 45 minutes or so. My poppers on the Traeger. Nicely lined up, so we'll check out these guys in about 30 minutes, see how they're looking, see how the bacon is. Wait for it to get nice and crispy. Let's see how they taste. Just pull these guys off the Traeger and they look great. Awesome color. The bacon fat has rendered down nicely. I'm just gonna let them cool off for a couple minutes and see how they taste. Let's pick one out here and see how they taste. This one here looks really good. Let's give it a go. Here we go. Let's see what these guys taste like. Oh man, it's really good. It's got a little kick to it from the jalapeno, nice and creamy center from the cream cheese and the sharp cheddar, and then that nice sweet finish from the rub. Super tasty. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Always looking forward to your feedback. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.